What it do, beautiful? How you doing, handsome? Anyways, let me stop playing around. So I know what y'all came here to see. I'm not gonna hold you. We're just gonna get right into the unboxing and review video. So in here is my CrossRope jump rope, the Get Lean Set. Now I had a couple people ask me where my video was on this, and I'm like, you know, I didn't even get the Get Lean Set. I went right for the Get Strong Set because I'm focused on toning up and I'm focused on building my strength. So I didn't pay no mind to the Get Lean Set. But then as I thought about it, and then people wanted reviews about it, I was just like, all right. And they wanted to hear my, you know, review about it. I said, let me go ahead and just buy it. So I bought it, and I bought this on, let me double check. So I ordered the jump rope on a Tuesday, and the jump rope came on Friday. So it didn't take long at all for it to get to me, which, you know, I'm sorry to hear if anyone has had any difficulties with their jump rope getting to them, but I'm hoping that your jump rope has delivered to you. I don't know, I just think it's probably the area that I'm in and how close I am to other places. So I hope that you get your jump rope eventually if it has not come in yet. So let's get down to business. So this came in the bag, in the package, and here's what else came in it. It says get the full CrossRope experience. You got the ropes, protect them with the mat, and save $15 with the code on there. And then it has a little card from the founder, Dave Hunt. You changing lives out here, man. That's all I gotta say. So that's that. So here it is, the Get Lean Set. So I got in a size medium for me because I am 5'6".
Even though I like to believe I'm a little taller than 5'6", but we're not going to talk about that.
So I got size medium, and this is what the box looks like. And this is what it has on the back of the box. And what it says is that there's a 1/4 pound rope, half-pound rope, and slim handles. So we're going to open it together. And here it is. This is what it looks like. I'm so excited to try these out. And wow, this one looks lighter in person. Looking at other people's reviews on the jump rope, you you see what it looks like, but seeing it in person is so much different than seeing it on a person's review. So this is what the 1/4 pound looks like. I'm gonna take it out the strap. I'm not scared to take out the strap this time because this one feels like a little baby, and I'm a beast this one. So wow, I can definitely do my double unders, or attempt to do double unders with this one because it's very light. I like this jump rope already. I really see myself doing some double unders with this one. That's a goal of mine, to do the double under. So here is the other rope on the bottom. And what else comes in the bag, what else comes in the box is a little bag to put your jump ropes back in. And this white bag is so cute. I just love the packaging. The packaging is so cute. And I have a little sticker. Oh. And then here is the half-pound rope. And this one, it feels pretty good too. Take that one out. Yeah. Oh, this one's definitely gonna get marked up. It's gonna get scuffed pretty quickly. And this feels pretty good too. I can definitely do some tricks with this one. Okay. So I'm sorry. So this is what the white one looks like. So on the link part, bro, my camera does not want to pick up the link part. Show the people. What are you like trying to look at me for? Okay, you know what? My camera don't want to pick it up, but on the links it shows you what the pounds are on the ropes, and it has it on both of them. So this is just so pretty. And then the handles, and these handles, let me take it out the packaging to see how it feels. Ooh, this one, it feels rubbery, and the grip on it, it feels nice. Then it has the indentation, that way you can put your thumb and your pointer there when you're jump roping, whatever, if that's where you want to hold the handles. Yeah, so this, it feels like a basketball. That's how the texture on this one feels, like a basketball or a football. So that feels good. So what we're gonna do is I'm going to link it together. So you just take the handle and you just pop the baby in, and there you go. I'm gonna do it to this one, and I'm gonna pop it in, and there you go. So that feels pretty good. Let me unhook it, and I'm gonna hook it onto the white one. So, boop, and boop. Feels good. So, first impression so far, pretty good. I'm excited to use these jump ropes, and that's what I'm gonna do for you guys today. So packaging, very nice. Love the green and white colors. It's very light. It feels like it will be a beginner jump rope set. If you want to get into jump roping, I think as a beginner, for right now, taking it out the box, it'll be good for you. So I'm gonna go test these babies out before the coyote comes out, because we have a coyote in the area and
I'm scared.
So before the coyote decides it wants to come out and play, let me go outside and play. So I will be back with a final review. And we back. So all of this is all on the same day. The unboxing, the first impression, all of that. So first impression, love the jump ropes. They are definitely beginner jump ropes, and they are, and this is all my opinion, by the way, all my opinion. They are definitely beginner jump ropes, and I was thinking as I was jump roping, wow, I should have got these before the Get Strong set, because those were really nothing to me, but they will still get, like, they still gave me a workout, and I felt good using them. I will definitely incorporate those in my workout, best believe, because any form of cardio, any form of exercise is literally that, exercise, you're working out. So with each jump rope, I used them for 5 minutes each. I did a 10-minute workout, just because, you know, coyote ain't gonna get me, so I had to make the workout quick. So let me just show you what damage I've done to the jump rope so far. And again, this is 5 minutes of using them. I took a couple breaks in between, but I jump rope for 5 minutes just about straight through. This is what the damage looks like on this jump rope. So it's not bad at all, and I definitely know for sure through the use of using this jump rope, I'm sure it'll get more damage to it, but that doesn't bother me at all. I do not mind wear and tear, because I know wear and tear is exactly what is going to happen if I continuously jump on sidewalks, concrete streets, whatever. The other jump rope, so this is the damage on the other jump rope, which again, wear and tear. So it looks like this throughout the whole jump rope. They also offer a mat that you can use in your jump ropes, and that way you preserve the life of your jump rope. So again, this is all just from a 5-minute workout, taking breaks in between the workout. So that is what it looks like. This one is very light. I was trying to do some double unders, but again, I need to learn how to do double unders. When I do my workout, I don't focus on tricks or anything like that. But with this rope, I can definitely, with both of them, both of the ropes, I'm going to definitely try to do tricks in them, and I'll record that as well throughout my learning process. Again, the handles, to me, they feel like a basketball, the basketball material, the football material, that rubbery feeling. Using the handle was definitely different from using the Get Strong one, the Get Strong handle, because this is more thin. Let me go get the strong ropes just to compare the two. So they both have that rubbery feeling, but see how thick, anyway, you see how thick this one is compared to this one. So just a little thicker in size, and this one is a little shorter. So those are the two. This is the Get Strong, from the Get Strong set, the handle here, and this is Get Lean. So those are the two there. But in all, I love all my cross ropes, and I'm definitely using all of them in my workouts. So if you're a beginner and you want to try CrossRope jump rope, I suggest getting these. Now, if you want to jump right into it and get your advance on, your challenge on, go ahead and get the strong, get the Get Strong set. My other rope is upstairs in my room. That's why I don't have it, the 2-pound. If you haven't seen that video, I will link it right above. That one, serious. So I definitely suggest getting the Get Lean set before you get the Get Strong set if you are a beginner. And if you are someone who just wants to add in more jump ropes to your collection, go ahead and get the Get Lean set. Get the whole set. Why not? Get the Get Strong too. Why not? So I do like these jump ropes. Again, this is a first impression on them, so I'm going to have to give it a few tries before I make a final review on how I like the ropes. Let you guys know really like if they are still what's up, because for today they are what's up. I'm gonna probably use it for a good 14 days, 2 weeks before I say yay or nay, but more than likely I'm gonna say yay. So yeah, I like the jump rope. Again, oh, I didn't even tell you guys about, well, just like all the other jump ropes, when you twist the handle, the rope twists. So see how the motion goes with that, and then with the handle it spins. Y'all didn't see that. I'm gonna leave that in anyway because it is what it is, but if you can catch that,
don't rewind it.
but look how it spins. Pretty cool, right? If you want a CrossRope jump rope, you can check out their website by using the link down in the description box below. It's my link, and if you do decide to purchase a jump rope, no extra cost to you at all. And the jump ropes are really good. They're a really good addition to the collection, especially if you are a jump rope person or you want to learn how to jump rope, get into jump roping, go ahead and get you it. So thank you so much for tuning into this video. I hope that my first impression of the jump rope did help you. Again, make a decision on if you want the jump rope or not. I paid $89. How much did I pay? I paid $84 for the jump rope, and they're usually $99. So I use that coupon, that deal they have for the cyber 15. I use that discount code, so that's how I got my little coin off from using the discount code they had on their website. So CrossRope is always having coupon codes and everything, so just check out their website, follow them on Instagram, and follow them on Twitter. They'll post their discount codes when they have a discount going on. So thank you for checking out this review. I hope it was helpful to you. You make the final decision though if you want to get the jump rope. I know that reviews are good and you want to get the opinion from others, but it's always up to you and your final decision on if you want to get one or not. So I hope you guys are taking care of yourselves, having a great day, and staying safe and healthy. I know I will, because Coyote and Rona. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. Peace out.